In this first compelling Ring doorbell clip, a hoodie-clad man is caught in the act of vandalizing a parked G-Wagon Benz. With a key in hand, he deliberately scratches the sleek paint, leaving a mark of his reckless behavior. In this startling Ring doorbell footage, a stranger walks into someone's home uninvited, taking advantage of an unlocked door. This unsettling scene serves as a crucial reminder for homeowners about the importance of securing their entrances, as the unexpected can happen in the blink of an eye. In this alarming Ring doorbell moment, two individuals armed with firearms are captured attempting to break into a parked car. This tense situation highlights the urgent need for vigilance in our neighborhoods, as the threat of crime can arise unexpectedly. In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, a suspected vehicle is found abandoned right in front of a homeowner's house. Police officers approach the property, knocking on the door to gather information for their investigation. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, a reckless driver is caught in the act as he collides with a parked car at night. The impact reverberates through the quiet street, but before the car owner even has a chance to react and step outside, the driver speeds away, leaving behind chaos and confusion. In this startling Ring doorbell clip, two workers are seen unsuspectingly going about their day when an audacious robbery unfolds right in front of the homeowner's door.
What's up, bro? Get on, bro.
Yeah, that's what goes down in Oakland.
Love this bitch. Oh, I love her. Oh, mamas. Hold on, get this phone, bro. Check that shit, bro. I gotta break that shit.
Their illegal actions highlight the desperation that can lead people to crime.
In this alarming Ring doorbell scene, two hooded figures are captured as they forcefully break into a homeowner's apartment. With an air of aggression, they demand money from the startled resident. In this captivating Ring doorbell moment, a mountain lion is spotted stealthily creeping through a homeowner's yard at night. The footage captures the raw beauty and potential danger of wildlife encroaching on residential spaces. In this gripping Ring doorbell moment, a homeowner bravely confronts a man attempting to break into their home. The tension builds as the intruder realizes he's been caught and hastily departs from the scene.
Hello? Hello?
In this amusing Ring doorbell clip, a homeowner captures the moment a man takes an unexpected tumble right before trying to enter his home.
It seems like Dad had a bit much to drink. Hope there are no injuries.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, two men brazenly break into a home in broad daylight, showcasing a bold disregard for safety and privacy.
Working, go to the job. Go.
In this tense Ring doorbell clip, a determined homeowner confronts a porch pirate who has just stolen a package delivered to her doorstep. Watch as she takes swift action to reclaim her property, showcasing her resilience and the lengths she will go to protect her belongings.
Can I help you? Might want to put my packages back. Wow.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a homeowner watches helplessly as a porch pirate makes off with a package left on the porch. Despite the homeowner's efforts to intervene, the thief escapes swiftly, highlighting the vulnerability many face against package theft.
Hey! Did you take my shit? Go pick your box up.
In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, a man is seen moving stealthily within an apartment complex, testing the doors in a suspicious manner. His attempts to gain unauthorized access raise serious concerns for the safety of the residents. In this captivating Ring doorbell scene, a man is caught on camera under the cover of night, stealthily approaching a bike parked outside the homeowner's residence. With careful precision, he lifts the bike and makes his escape, unaware that his actions have been recorded. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell scene, a homeowner senses she is being followed as she makes her way home. Acting quickly, she drives into her garage and promptly shuts the door, securing herself inside. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a porch pirate is caught in the act as he attempts to steal a package from someone's porch. The vigilant homeowner quickly springs into action, calling the police just in time to prevent the thief from escaping.
Caller is not home but saw this on the Ring camera. He took a box and a parcel. Camouflage jacket, white hoodie, gray sweatpants, black backpack.
Excuse me. Hi. Stop right there. Stop.
What happened?
Stop.
Pursuit. 203 is in foot pursuit.
Running back towards St. John's.
St. John's Church.
203, 1023.
200, 1023.
200, that's a 1023?
In this curious Ring doorbell scene, two individuals are caught on camera knocking repeatedly at someone's door. They claim their phone was tracked to this location, raising suspicions about their true intentions.
Location that it binged to. I called the phone and somebody turned it right back off. That's how I know where to come to. I'm just not knocking on your door for nothing. I'm just not knocking on your door for nothing now. If I come back and start fucking shit up, respect the game.
I don't have anything, man. I don't have anything there.
You probably had a company.
In this tense Ring doorbell scene, two figures are seen stealthily breaking into a house, meticulously checking every room for valuables. As they explore the premises, the homeowner's security footage captures their every move. In this compelling Ring doorbell scene, a police officer is observed diligently investigating a crime scene, piecing together the details of the incident. As the officer carefully examines the surroundings, the homeowner's camera captures the crucial moments that could lead to uncovering vital evidence.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this curious Ring doorbell scene, a lady is spotted inspecting a neighbor's mailbox, seemingly on the hunt for any mail. However, her search proves fruitless as she discovers the mailbox is empty. What could have prompted her to check? Was it merely a mix-up, or is there more to her actions? In this captivating Ring doorbell scene, a man is observed trailing a teenager, raising immediate concern. The tension escalates when the teen's grandfather steps in to confront the stranger, demanding to know his intentions. What happens next could shed light on the situation. Was it a misunderstanding or something more sinister?
What's up, guys?
Who's that? Huh? Oh, who was you?
The original.
Who?
The original.
Original who?
My main concern is not ready. I do not want to go to
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.